Okay friends, now I will share to you how to create your own screenshot app with Python. So first you must open terminal and then you must install some packages there. Okay, first you must type in here pip install pyautogui and then enter. Okay, and then you can waiting for the installation. Okay, now we can install the second package. Pip install numpy. Okay, we're waiting for the installation. And then the third, the last one, we can let it install opencv Python. Then we can enter. And then we're waiting for the installation of opencv Python. If I've already installed, we can write in the top import by pyautogui and then import numpy as np and then import cv2. Then we can write in here 3 lines code for the screenshot code. First camera equal to by autoguide screenshot. Then we can write in here image then cv2 cv the color. Okay, sorry, cv2 color and then write in here np dry and then write camera. Then we can write in here the effect for the image. I choose the number one and then you can write cv2 I'm right to save our image. Okay, I want to save image. Okay, but to create an app we need to import printer. So from printer and from printer import file dialog. Now you can write in here root of tk and then you can go down root main loop. Now you can create the button. I want to create a button screenshot and also save. Now the first button one button and root text screenshot and then we set the font. Choose the times new Roman. Then the size I choose 17. Then okay, button one grid. Okay, I need to make function here. Function take pic and then Okay, press the tab button, and then create a second function save. Now we can create the button. Okay, the second button. I want to create the save button. So when I click at the screenshot button, it will appear save button. Copy this and then I will paste. I will change the name. I will write in here save. And then button to create. Well, now I will set the row and also column. For the row 0 and the column for the screenshot column it will be 2. Now for the save row it will be 0 also. By the column I will set at the number 1. So I must give the command for the X button command, the click, and then for the save I will set the command save. I will have the command, but we must edit some code here. I want to do that when I want to save my picture or image, I can choose where is the folder that I want to save. So I can write file dialog and then ask save file name, and then I can write in here file types. File types you can write image and then okay, so image and then GPG. So the other I can write in here. I can write in here. Copy this. Inside here. Change all and this. Okay. Change all. Okay. Well. Now I must. Sorry. Now. So I can write in here the file extension. So for the extension, I want to choose GPG. Okay. I want to save my picture as GPG file. And I will write in here. This is for the path that I want to choose. So I write in here file. Then okay. But first, I want to check the folder that I want to save my file. Okay, I want to save my file in here, CV2 file in here. Okay, I will try to open. Okay, I want to save in here. So you see, I want to save in here. So This is in the desktop, so I can run this code. Okay, for the default extension, it have error. Okay, why it have error? Because I can write in here only one word, so A, and then I go here and write A equal, and I pass there. Now I can run again. Okay, what is the error in here? Okay, perhaps needs a comma. Well, I will see. Okay, I think nothing wrong. I can run again. Okay, it's nothing wrong. Now you can open this and then you can trigger, and when I tap the screenshot button, it have save button. It means that I have screenshot and I only need to save. I can choose where is the file that I want to save. This is screenshot image. But the save, the line 12, it have problem. So okay, image and then JPG and all. Okay, it need comma in here. Sorry. I think all was fixed. Now we can run again. Okay, now we can see how a screenshot is. I press this button and it have save button. I can save the image after a screenshot. I can choose the where is the folder that I want to save my image. Okay, now I want to save in the desktop, the CV2 file. Okay, I'll open and I will give name as image. Save. After I save, I will see something appear here. I will open the folder. Okay, it have the image that I want to save the file. This is the file that I have screenshot. It have different color because of the effect that I give. I choose the number 1 effect. So only this is my tutorial for create